Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to use the formula to solve our exercise question 11.4. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h, volume of cuboid length into breadth into height, volume of cube is h cube, or we can write h into h into h. Number 3, exercise 11.4. Find the height of the cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. So first, a cuboid is there. Like this. Now here we are going to find the height of this cuboid. This one, height of the cuboid, we are going to find. If the base area, this base area if this base area is given as 180 centimeter square, so we are going to find the height. So volume of cuboid, volume of cuboid is given 900 centimeter cube. Now volume of cuboid, we can write length into breadth into height is equals to 900 centimeter cube. Now this base area is a shape of a rectangle. This base area is the shape of a rectangle, and the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So this length into breadth, so in place of length into breadth we are going to write 180. 180 into height is equal to 900. So h is equal to 900 divided by 180. When we cancel it, we get 5. So height is equals to 5 centimeter. Hence, the height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter. Question number 4, exercise 11.4. A cuboid is of dimension 60 centimeter, 54 and 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with the side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? So here this 60 centimeter is the length, 54 is the breadth, and height is 30 centimeter. A small cube whose side is 6 centimeter. How many such small cubes we can place inside this cuboid? So here in this question we are going to find the volume and then we are going to divide it. So edge of each cube it is given 6 centimeter. So volume of each cube, the formula is h to the power 3, or we can write 6 to the power 3, or 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cube. Now the volume of cuboid, formula is length into breadth into height. Length is 60 into 54 into 30. So therefore number of cubes is equal to volume of cuboid upon volume of each cube. So volume of cuboid is 60 into 54 into 30, and volume of each cube is 6 into 6 into 6. So by table of 6 we can cancel it. 6 5 times, 6 9 times, 6 10 times. So we get 9 into 5 45, 45 into 10 450 cubes. So total number of cube which we can place inside this cuboid is 450 cubes. Number 5, exercise 11.4. Find the height of the cylinder. Height we have to find, whose volume is 154 meter cube and the diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. So this diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. Volume of this cylinder is 1.54 meter cube. So here in this question, let the h be the height of the cylinder. Height of cylinder. Whose radius r is equals to 140. This is the base, this is the diameter, so radius 140 divided by 2 is equals to 70 centimeter. Or we can convert this into meter. 70 upon 100 is equals to 0.7 meter, and the volume of cylinder is 1.54 meter cube. So volume of cylinder 1.54 meter cube. Volume of cylinder pi r square h is equals to 1.54 The value of pi we can take here 22 upon 7 into the radius is 0.7 into 0.7 into height only we are going to find, so h is equals to 1.54, or we can write h is equals to 1.54 into 7 divided by 22 into 0.7 into 0.7. When we cancel this, we get 1 meter. So hence the height of the cylinder, the height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Exercise 11.4, question number 6. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in the liter that can be stored in the tank. So a milk tank like this, a milk tank is there. The radius, so radius of this milk tank, this is given 1.5 meter, and the length means the height of this tank is 7 meter. So we have to find the quantity of milk in the liter. So radius of milk tank is 1.5 meter. Length of milk tank is 7 meter. Now quantity of milk that can be stored in the tank is equal to the volume of the tank. So volume of the tank, this is in the shape of a cylinder, so pi r square h. So pi value 22 upon 7 into radius of the tank is 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter into height is 7 meter. So we can cancel this 7 with this 7. When we multiply this, we get 49.5 meter cube. Now we have to convert this into liter. So 49.5 into 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter, which is equals to 49,000 500 liters. So this is the total capacity of this milk tank. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.